Tumawag sa pansin ko mga buddy itong mga video na ito na kung saan ang kanyang title ay Biliran Bridge Swinging. Biliran Bridge swings and vibrates. Motorists express concern over the condition of Biliran Bridge. So 17 minutes ago from Sunstar Davao, ito yung eksena. Ayan o, napansin nyo? Napansin nyo yan? Umaalog siya mga buddy, no? Yung pinaka tulay. At kitang-kita mo rin dito, yung paggalaw. So, tingnan nga natin yung iba pa. Ito, meron ditong balita, no? Philippine Emergency Alerts. Biliran Bridge is swinging. Ayan, ito rin yung video. Biliran Bridge is swinging. Dito naman sa Biliran Island Facebook page. So, ito pala yung yung itsura ng Biliran Bridge mga buddy. Mukhang bagong gawa lang eh. At kung mapapansin nyo, wala naman siyang suporta dito sa gitna. Tapos, ito yung nagsuswing, no? Ito yung maalog. So, nag-cause na ng traffic dito sa parte na to. Ito pa yung yung photo. Ayan. So, ano kayang cause? Bakit nagsuswing tong Biliran Bridge? So, ito, merong nabasa tayo dito. Biliran Bridge was observed with movement and mid-afternoon December 23. So, today, a video clip captured movement of Biliran Bridge at around 3 p.m. December 23. It shows bouncing of the bridge flooring. So, meanwhile, the DPWH regional office issued road advisory limiting only light vehicles of yung four-wheelers to cross the bridge, thereby banning heavy equipment or vehicles from crossing it. Buses are advised to unload passengers before crossing the bridge, while the traveling public is advised to cross the bridge one at a time with caution. So, ang Biliran Bridge is the only access by land of the entire island province to the island of Leyte.